In a world flooded with apps, these 5 free AI tools are not only game-changing, they feel almost illegal to use. Here are the top 5 free AI tools you should be using in 2025. First up is Gamma. This AI builds professional-looking presentations in seconds. You type a prompt, and it generates a fully designed, interactive slideshow. No PowerPoint, no Canva, just fast, clean results. Next is 11 Labs. It turns any text into a shockingly realistic voiceover, perfect for content creators, marketers, and even pranksters. You get lifelike audio with emotion, free up to 10,000 characters monthly. Everyone knows ChatGPT, but not everyone's using web access. With plugins or GPT-4.0, you can get real-time info, analyze links, and even summarize PDFs. It's like Google on turbo. Pictory turns long articles or text into full videos automatically. Great for YouTubers, bloggers, or anyone who wants to create fast visual content. Upload a script and get captions, stock video, and a full edit, done in minutes. Last is Leonardo.ai. It generates stunning AI art and game assets with free credits daily. Whether you're a designer or a meme lord, this one's a goldmine. All of these tools are free, powerful, and ready for you to explore. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for weekly AI drops. This is LoopMind AI, where tech meets curiosity.